Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on R36s. Unfortunately, playing Fortnite directly on an R36 handheld is not feasible due to significant technical limitations. The R36 is specifically designed for emulating classic video games, running on a Linux-based system called Arc OS. Fortnite, however, demands much more robust hardware and a Windows operating system to function properly. Therefore, a direct installation or native gameplay experience on the R36 is simply not possible. Let's delve into why Fortnite won't run on the R36s. Fortnite's minimum system requirements include a powerful processor, such as an Intel Core i3 running at 3.3 GHz or higher. It also demands at least 4 GB of RAM, with 8 GB recommended for optimal performance. Crucially, a dedicated graphics card, like an Intel HD 4000, is needed to handle the game's three-dimensional graphics. The R36S's internal components are not built to meet these modern gaming specifications. Beyond hardware, software presents another major hurdle. Fortnite is developed to run on Windows 10 or 11, which is fundamentally different from the R36S's Linux-based Arc OS. Furthermore, Fortnite incorporates kernel-level anti-cheat software that is incompatible with non-Windows operating systems, including Arc OS. Attempting to emulate a Windows environment on the R36 for a demanding game like Fortnite would be impractical and yield unplayable results, effectively blocking any attempt to launch the game. While the R36 cannot run Fortnite, you have many other excellent options. You can play Fortnite on a compatible personal computer, a modern gaming console, or even many mobile devices. Cloud gaming services also offer a way to stream Fortnite to various screens. For a portable experience, consider powerful handheld PCs like the Steam Deck or ROG Ally. The R36 truly shines as a fantastic device for enjoying thousands of classic retro games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.